Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. You guys may know that we make videos on tech in general, especially Android customization and development. We came a long way from a Moto E Condor, Zenfone to Laser, and 1.5 year back we started with Zenfone Lite L1 development series, which is a great success. Adding that, we are introducing new member which is MI A2 Jasmine Sprout. We have it in hand and got it an impressive price. So I will share the content of developing it in upcoming videos. So if you are a MI A2 user, well, consider subscribing to this channel. More on your way for MI A2. Before concluding this, I will have to thank all the members in the MI A2 or 6X device group and especially the devs who continuously make it better. Big salute. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next good one. Kotmato.